What's up, friends? We've got another tree video for you today. Doing something we really don't usually like to do at all. We're topping these couple trees for a customer. He wants to put Starlink up at the top of his tree so he can get Wi-Fi and stuff to his house. The reason we don't like doing it is just, first of all, it looks ugly. So we take the top out of a tree, especially a conifer, and all the branches that are now at the top of the tree start curling up, and they start to look like an upside down octopus after time, and it's hazardous. It's unsafe for the tree. It's unsafe for whoever has to climb it afterwards. It's unsafe for the homeowner's property. It's just we don't do it. We don't like to do it. It's not good for anybody. But we got to work. Money's money. We try to avoid it if we can. We really try to steer the customer away from doing stuff like that. But sometimes you just can't, and sometimes they want what they want, and we like running a business and we like getting money, so we're gonna do that. We got the truck loaded up. Chris is in front of me in the chip truck. I'm in the flatbed. We're gonna hit the gas station, get some fuel for the saws, get some snacks for the guys, and we'll check back in with you at the job. Alright, we just got to the job, and I'll show you guys the trees. It's 4 of them. We've got 2 firs and 2 pines to top. And of course there's a power line in the way right here. Probably should have thought ahead and called the power company to drop that, but here's the first tree. We're gonna start with this furthest away from the chipper. Probably top it right about there, which is really gonna suck because it's gonna break branches on its way down and do all sorts of weird stuff. We got another fir right here. It's the same thing. That one's even closer to the power line, so we're gonna have to probably take it this way instead and then just drag it underneath the lines. Yeah, and we're not touching the ugliest one, which should be touched. This guy here with looks like it was already topped in the past. It's got 5 tops coming out of it now, and it's leaning towards this house, but you can only do so much talking to these customers and try to get them to do the right thing. But we just got the truck backed in. We'll get all the gear unloaded, and we'll get cracking on this. So, oh, I see.
See that lower section on the right tree that's bare?
Yeah.
We're to the bottom of that.
Okay, so like, oh gosh, that's like
That's a lot.
more than a third, a little more than a third.
More your money for the same thing.
Basically, the reason we couldn't talk him out of it is that he doesn't care and he's gonna die soon. So that's the reasoning behind that.
Yeah. Save money.
I guess, yeah.
Even
We were trying to tell him to take him down.
Even though I told him I was willing to do the removal with the wood stag for the same price as this.
Yeah. Well, some people just don't care, I guess.
Well, he wants what he wants.
Yeah. All right.
Thing there.
Oh, camera. I've been doing some filming. I've been putting my videos on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, if it ain't on YouTube, it ain't come out yet. They got everything on there.
All right. All right, Brandon's going up the first tree. Get that one knocked out. Go on to the second one. Shane's just waiting idly by. How's your day going so far, buddy?
Oh, you're in it, so that's nice. Brandon's alright, I guess.
Clear. Clear.
Woo! That was barely anything. You want me to pull harder? No. I think we got that all day. Watch that line. One of the tops out. Most of the ground cleaned up. We just got a little bit of duff and some wood here. The wood's, I believe, staying here. Guy wants it way lower. Brandon's up there. Probably have to take it down another 15 feet. Probably got to take it down another 15 feet. So that's going to be interesting. Wood with brush on it coming down. I guess you got to do what you got to do sometimes. So since we have to take another piece off of it, instead of trying to pull that log all the way over with branches on it and stabbing them into the yard, we're going to try to zip line the branches down and get the branches off of it first. That way we have a clean log coming out of the tree. So we put some of that footage in there, and we'll show you guys a little bit of that zip line technique.
Okay. Pull it tight. Come on. There he goes. Got it? One more pull. There it is.
Alright, do it the cool way.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so I got this gym membership. I don't know why.
All right, so that was that. You can see what I'm saying about the tree just looks like shit. So that's what's left of it.
Teamwork.
Looks fantastic up there. And Brandon's going up the second one now. We're quickly realizing it's hard to film everything and get all the good shots if I'm climbing, so staying on the ground today. And Chris is back. He had to go pick his RV up from somewhere, who knows.
Look at this pile of wood.
That's hot.
I'm gonna go camping.
That's hot. So yeah, this one's a little smaller. It should go quicker. We just had to do a bunch of cleanup on the ground so we didn't get overwhelmed. And yeah, pretty much the same thing for that one, except a lot less wood and hopefully a lot less damage.
School pipe here.
How much did that cost you?
I don't want to talk about that, but look, it's got trees on it too. I was thinking about cutting them down.
What a tree guy.
You need to get another one that has Woody the Woodpecker on it.
Dude, I got two. Okay, they were 150 a piece.
Jeez.
And I wasn't trying to get in my, I like went in there and I was like, ah, fuck. Like, damn it. It's got trees on it. I can't stop.
I have to have it.
Excuse me, sir, that's my pile.
I got it.
No, you
Come
don't.
on.
Come on, dude.
Movie star people don't need to be doing this kind of shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, get back to work.
Not a lot of people know this, but tree climbers are professional athletes, and that's why they need a consistent diet of yes, pepperoni sticks, what, electrolytes?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah,
And Cheetos.
plants crave it, so it's definitely good. You can see them.
Hurry it up.
Yeah. Carter's gonna get a stomachache if you don't get to going. GoPro footage of kind of funny.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, cool.
Multitasking.
Like you have to do some shots with that.
Put one in my mouth.
I do like a fancy cook. Gives them more power. Alright, that's it. You don't want to get cramped.
Oh, stupid.
We got it. We got it.
1, 2, 3. Let it go. Oh, no. 1, 2. Here she comes. Nice.
Alright, well that's it for this one, guys. We're just gonna get clean up this mess, buck this wood into 16-inch rounds, and then we'll be on our way. Those are our lovely trees that we did today. Thanks for watching. Like it, subscribe, comment if you want to see something else and what you want to see. Peace out.